Sis, asa ka magpunta?
Pinagkupas mo po. Dali, dali. Sponsor na po.
Punta siya ng Patayagan.
Going to
We
Pattaya.
are in the taxi now.
The second home of
Good
Pattaya.
morning, everyone.
Afternoon sa iba.
Morning
Kapag ko guys, ang dami kong bit-bit. Ewan ko. Kulang lang dalhin ko ang ano, buong laman ng bahay namin.
Buying ticket. Sabihin mo sis nga nandito ka na sa bus.
We are here in the bus. Here in Terminal Ikamay, and then we are going to Pattaya. Show me ticket. Our number is 33 and 34 for the seat. Show me the ticket. We are in the middle na. Just started. We are in the middle na. We're just watching the movie of Netflix. So, it's not hard. But I feel gutom na. Bawal ba magkaroon?
Pwede ko kita mo
Allowed. We have baon. The banana bread. She brought it.
kain mo na siya.
Sa pang-ulo guys, ay wala kain-kain.
Kami o. Diyan na ito na. We're here in Pattaya. Singtel. So, Singtel is 20 baht? Ala. No. Singtel. Sing Hotel.
2 person 150 baht.
No. We are Ala. We're in the hotel. Check-in time. It's back outside. We are in the reception. It's here. Waiting.
Wala kami paniod ko. Tawag na ko niya. Maura gudi.
Still eating to finish the food. Naubos lahat. Did mo sis eh. Naubos mo lahat.
Sobrang gutom. Very hungry because we did not eat our breakfast. And now the time is 3 o'clock. So the tummy is complaining na already.
Here, room 2209. See, it's the entrance. We have a small closet, and you can see me. Yeah, put the key card here. Like that. See? And then the toilet. The toilet, shower. Shower, coconut milk, rice milk. Oh. Yeah, that's me. Yes. And small closet is here. If you have an important matter, the safer you can use. Then we have TV there, a small table, and this is the bed. And Sharina is here.
I take up my things. View outside.
City
Very
view.
simple only. Here. Oh, not there. Not there, sis. Not there, sis. Only.
My goodness. Yeah, their view is forest.
Was a lot of trees.
See you na.
See you later.
Mag-walking mi mamaya.
We will go to the street.
Walking street. Welcome to Pattaya City Walking Street.
Ilang tour guide ba? Kaya wala pakialam-alam mo niya.
Bahala, mawala mo. Basta, kung dili mo mag-follow, weekend sa Pattaya is like this.
Ano na sila sa island?
Pagila na lang sa island.
Magawat ba ng
Ay, magtingin ta dito sis, oh. Sa loob, restaurant. Tanaw po ito, eh. Basin, dili ba? Dili kay kuan man na siya restaurant. Watermelon.
20 baht only.
20 baht.
Very sweet.
Parang uulan naman.
Hi guys! So we are going back home because
Going back to hotel.
we're going back to the hotel because it's dinner time, and then we are planning to swimming to the pool, and then we are checking the weather is coming, the rain is coming, so it's better to go back to the hotel. See you.
Thank you for watching.
See you back.
Bye.
See you back.